Coach Pia, my boyfriend and I recently welcomed our son last March. So may anak na kayo. The thing is, things haven't been working out for us as a couple. Even before the arrival of our child. I'm ready to get out of a relationship. It's my son who I am worried about. I don't want him to have a broken family, but his father and I are miserable as a couple. Okay. Malinaw dito that you are not ready or you're not willing to be in a marriage with this boyfriend. Having said that, tama ka na ang inaalala mo ngayon yung anak mo. Mahirap na makita ng bata na hindi kayo nagkakasundo ng kanyang ama. Remember, ang anak mo lalaki. So, ang kanyang role model ay ang kanyang ama. So, boyfriend mo. Kung nakikita niya na hindi maganda yung relationship nyo, na-absorb ng bata yun, so mas maganda pa na aminin mo talaga sa sarili mo, hindi kayo nagkakasundo, that every time he spends time with his father, it's good quality relationship time at hindi niya iniintindi yung pag-aaway ninyo, pag-aalitan ninyong mag-boyfriend. Don't be worried about your son growing up without a father because you're going to make sure na yung tatay may relationship pa rin sa anak mo. Just make sure of that. Doesn't mean you have to marry him. Okay? Life is too short, so let's focus on what matters. Let's make better life decisions today.